Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. This is week 3 of my weekly meal prep. I'm sorry you guys, we're having trees cut down. Oh, it's coming down, listen. Did y'all hear that? Yeah, we're having more trees cut down. Okay, I'm not even about to, because I know the last time that we had trees cut down, I think a couple of people were upset about trees coming down, but I promise you guys, for the one tree that we cut down, we have 20 of them on the side of our property. But anyway, I digress. Week 3, you guys, of the meal preps, the weekly meal prep. So this week we are going to revisit the sweet potatoes. Oh, I also want to tell you that the last video of the protein pasta, I'm looking at my husband, but the last video of the protein pasta was a 10 out of 10. I wish I would have shared the recipe on screen. If I remember, I'm going to go back to the video and put the recipe down below, because I was just really doing it on a whim and it was like a 10 out of 10. At some point I am going to revisit the protein pasta because that was packed with protein. I used bone broth, I used protein pasta. The beef has a lot of protein in it. The cottage cheese has a lot of protein in it. In addition to that, the milk that I used had about 13 grams of protein. So that was like a protein packed meal. Anyway, I digress. At some point we are going to revisit, maybe next week, the protein pasta, so I can show you guys how I do it, and then we'll see how much protein was in it. But it was a 10 out of 10. So good. But yeah. So this week we are going to do 2 more new meals. I'm going to do a sheet pan, and I'm also going to do a bang bang chicken. I think I was about to say bang bang shrimp, but it's a bang bang chicken. So yeah, let's get cooking, you guys. I just had to do the intro. Welcome you guys back for another week, and yeah, let's get it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, you guys. I will see you hopefully next week for week 4, and then I don't know, maybe I'll do something different for April, because I really enjoy filming again, but I'm kind of stepping away from the vlogs because I don't know, I don't I don't have a reason. Maybe we'll revisit the vlogs again at some point. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.